The City of Grand Rapids forms a homeless outreach team to respond to COVID-19 related homelessness issues. Michigan Department of Health and Human Services expands testing criteria for COVID-19. Grand Valley State University announces rescheduled Class of 2020 commencement ceremonies, and more statements from area organizations brought to you by the Rapidian. City Manager Mark Washington announced during an online City Commission meeting Tuesday, April 14, the creation of a homeless outreach team which will provide education and guidance around local homelessness issues related to physical distancing and other stay home, stay safe requirements. Washington detailed that the team is in its formative stages and will soon pair one police officer and one firefighter who will respond to local homelessness issues related to COVID-19 mitigation. The team will also provide key assistance to local homeless shelters and social service agencies. Eventually, the team will add both a social worker partner and mental health component, according to a statement by the City of Grand Rapids. They will also present data based on interactions and complaint responses and make recommendations at a future commission meeting on actionable items which will create positive changes. More information about the Homeless Outreach Team is available on the City Commission's April 14 meetings agenda. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services announced Monday, April 13, expanded testing criteria for COVID-19 to include Michiganders with mild symptoms. They also launched a COVID-19 test site finder online to help residents locate a testing site near them. Quote, expanded testing is needed to learn more about how COVID-19 is spreading in our state, said the department's chief medical executive and chief deputy for health. Continuing, quote, we want to make sure people know that if they have symptoms, they should work with their medical provider to be tested. Michigan's testing priority criteria now includes hospitalized patients, symptomatic healthcare workers, patients age 65 and older with symptoms, patients with underlying conditions with symptoms, and more. A full list of the type of Michiganders now meeting Michigan's testing priority criteria is available on the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services website at www.michigan.gov/MDHHS. Also, the test site finder can be found online at www.michigan.gov/coronavirus. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services also announced Wednesday, April 15, that they are teaming up with the Food Bank Council of Michigan to raise money for a virtual food drive that will provide food boxes to seniors who are staying home to protect themselves from COVID-19. They are asking Michiganders to make monetary donations on the virtual food drive's website to help buy food for the project. Quote, Michigan's aging adult population is especially vulnerable to COVID-19, said Dr. Alex Travis. It is crucial that seniors stay home, but they also need healthy food. That's why the virtual food drive is so important. One box is filled with 33 food items that provide for 22 well-balanced, nutritious meals. Each box contains breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes for seniors who are food insecure. A donation of $28 pays for an entire box containing foods such as chunk white canned chicken, green beans, peanut butter, and low-sodium diced tomatoes. Boxes are distributed from local food banks through residents' local area agency on aging and delivered by volunteers. Seniors needing extra support during this time can sign up for extra assistance, including meal delivery, delivery of non-perishable food items, and daily wellness check calls through the COVID-19 page on the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services website, or by contacting their local area agency on aging. More information about the virtual food drive can be found at www.fbcmich.org/virtual food drive. West Michigan Works announced on Monday, April 13, that registration is now open for its virtual job fair happening next Tuesday, April 21st, and Thursday, April 23rd. While Governor Whitmer's extension of the stay home, stay safe order has restricted non-essential businesses from reopening, a variety of businesses deemed essential have continued to hire in West Michigan and across the state. Quote, many employers are seeing an increased and urgent need for employees, West Michigan Works stated on their website. The participating employers are hiring now. The West Michigan Works virtual job fair gives you the opportunity to speak directly to them about your skills and qualifications and hear more about their open positions. 35 employers from various industries will be available to speak during the virtual job fair, with over 75 positions open, including both full and part-time. Participating Kent County employers include Hope Network, Metro Health, University of Michigan, Ritzema Associates, Spartan Nash, and Samaritas, among others. More information about the West Michigan Works Virtual Job Fair and other COVID-19 related resources is available on their website at www.westmiworks.org. Grand Valley State University announced Class of 2020 commencement details in light of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. President Montella said a virtual celebration or graduate celebration watch party will be held Friday, April 24 at 7 p.m. via Grand Valley State University's Facebook and YouTube pages. The rescheduled in-person commencement ceremonies are now planned for Saturday, October 10 at Van Andel Arena. Students graduating following completion of the present semester may also choose to participate in the fall commencement ceremony held in December 2020. Quote, we are working hard on plans to honor your accomplishments and celebrate this wonderful milestone, President Montella said. Continuing, quote, we are proud of your accomplishments and proud of the way you have risen to the current challenge. I can't wait to celebrate your Laker effect. More details about adjusted commencement events are available on the commencement page on GVSU's website at www.gvsu.edu. The Rapidian will continue to report on all major local developments related to the spread of COVID-19 and the community's prevention and response methods. Local residents are encouraged at this time to share their own stories and perspectives on the Rapidian's platform at www.therapidian.org. This message was brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Be safe, be kind, wash your hands. We'll see you soon.